Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade donuts. First, gather your ingredients, including all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, active dry yeast, warm milk, and eggs. Next, activate the yeast by dissolving it in the warm milk with a small amount of sugar. Then, combine your wet and dry ingredients in a large bowl, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Finally, knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and roll it out on a floured surface to a thickness of about 1/2 inch. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes. Arrange the shaped donuts on parchment paper for their second proof. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully lower a few donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Remove the fried donuts and place them on a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While still warm, dip them into your prepared glaze. Once glazed, allow any excess to drip off before transferring your donuts to a clean rack to set. The glaze will firm up as they cool, creating that perfect sweet coating. These homemade treats are best enjoyed fresh, so gather your friends and family. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, warm, homemade donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.